Hello and welcome to the channel, Easy Digital Art. Here I use Office shapes in Microsoft Office to create art. Today I'm going to show you how to make a picket fence. Go Insert, Shapes, and select this object, the pentagon, under Block Arrows. Just drag it across, then rotate it counterclockwise, like so. Then go back and select another object, Shapes, Rectangle. Now you can select both objects or you can do them separately. Just going to put this a little bit lower here like that. And I'm going to select both of them, Shift, left click, and then go Shape Format, Shape Fill, choose a light gray, go here. You can also right click and go Format Shape, like this, or Format Object, and then go to the second icon. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger here. Go to the bevel, choose Convex, like so. We'll leave the width and the height as is. And we can close this because we're done with that. This is in front. I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna say bring to front. It's easier to do it that way. I'm actually gonna just check and make this fixed position. Then I'm gonna go copy and then paste. You can select both of them just to make the copying faster. Go copy, paste. So I'm gonna need 12 of these. So we can bring it back like that. Let's just put it like this. So now I'm just going to select all of these. Actually, I'm going to put this one right about here. Let's move them out a bit. Doesn't have to be perfect. And so now we're going to go Shift, select all of these pickets. Okay. And I'm just going to select this back part as well. We go Shape Format, Shape Effects, Shadow, and add some shadow. Okay. Now I'm going to unselect this back part. So just the pickets are selected. You can do this in any order you want. Go Shape Format, go to Align, which is the first one here, and then go Distribute Horizontally, and then go Align Top. So now with this back one, go copy the back board here, copy, paste. And I don't know if this was, it's not fixed position. I'm going to make them both fixed position to make it easier to move. This one has to go behind. It's going to see, sometimes I think the easiest way to do this is just move it off to the side. I have a background here, but if I move it off to the side here, you can go send to back and then right click and then bring forward after that. Send to back and then bring forward, and that should put it right behind here. Okay. Now you can also put this a bit higher, make it more narrower. I think narrower is better for both of them, like so. Just a little bit more like that. And with these two back ones, you can also align them. So select shapes, shape format, align to the right, like that, or to the left, doesn't matter. So you can either shift and select all of these separately, or you can go home, select objects, and because there's a space here, you can go here and you can just select this like that. You won't have a background. I just put this background in because I made the thumbnail, but you can select them, and now you can go shape format, and again you can select them individually, and you go group. So now they're grouped, and go fix position. And with this, besides being able to move it now, you can also resize it easily. So if you need a shorter fence, something like this, or a tall fence, a really tall one, for example, it's easier to change it. It's easier than drawing it. So I recommend doing it this way. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please subscribe. Thank you.